Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have two new tools in Adobe Illustrator. They are very useful for any design. Let's start. The first tool today is Free Transform tool. This tool is used to transform, rotate, share, and other things. If I have a rectangle like this and click on Free Transform tool, this window will appear, and I have here three tools. The first one for rotate like this. When I stand on this point, I have here two arrows. I can rotate and also I can scale. The second one to screw like this. And the third one for transform. For example, I have this design and I want to make the root more real. So I will select it and select transform tool and use screw tool and make it thin from here, and with transform tool I will put this point here like this, and the same thing with these rectangles. I will select and with transform tool I will screw like this, and with transform tool second tool today is puppet warp tool. This tool is used to pin points and move another point like this. I will make a rectangle, and with puppet tool I can move only one point and pin another points like this. For example, I have this design, but I have here this scarf doesn't look like a real scarf because she ride in the wind. So I will use puppet warp tool to change this scarf. First I will zoom in, and I will select the shape, and with puppet warp tool I will move this point with pinning other points like this, and I can add any more point here like this.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.